In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an envelope format and print in Microsoft Word. Creating and printing envelopes directly from Microsoft Word is a convenient way to ensure your mail looks professional and is correctly addressed. Whether you're sending invitations, letters, or official documents, Word provides built-in tools that allow you to design, format, and print envelopes quickly and accurately without needing separate software. This tutorial will guide you through the process step by step so you can create envelopes that are ready to mail. To begin, open Microsoft Word and start with a blank document. Once the program is open, move your attention to the ribbon at the top of the window and select the Mailings tab. This tab contains all the tools necessary for creating mail merge documents, labels, and envelopes. Within the Mailings tab, look for the section labeled Create and click on the Envelopes option. This will open a new dialog box called Envelopes and Labels. In this box, you will see two main fields, Delivery Address and Return Address. The Delivery Address field is where you type the recipient's name and address. Enter the information exactly as you want it to appear on the envelope. Below that, you can enter your own address in the Return Address field, which will appear in the top left corner of the envelope. After entering the addresses, you can customize the envelope's size and layout. Click on the Options button within the dialog box. Here, you can select the envelope size that matches the physical envelopes you have. Word provides several standard sizes, but you can also set custom dimensions if needed. In the same window, you can adjust the font style, size, and positioning of both the delivery and return addresses. Once you've made your selections, click OK to return to the main Envelopes dialog box. Next, you have the option to either add the envelope to your current document or print it directly. If you want to print immediately, ensure your printer is loaded with the correct envelope size. Click the Print button and Word will send the envelope to your printer. If you prefer to add the envelope to your document first, click Add to Document. This will insert a formatted envelope as the first page of your document, allowing you to make further adjustments or save it for later printing. By following these steps, you can quickly create professional-looking envelopes, ensuring that your mail is properly formatted and ready to send. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.